Thinking about saying goodbye to Manus AI? Here's how to delete your account step by step. First, open the app and tap on the profile icon or menu button. You can usually find it at the top of the screen. Now go to Settings, then scroll to find the Account section. Look for the option that says Delete Account or Deactivate Account. Once you find it, tap on it and confirm your choice. Follow any final prompts. You may be asked to enter your password to verify the deletion request. Some versions may require you to email support for full account removal. Check the instruction carefully. Why are you deleting it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.